Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome back to the Mk1 Audi TT build series.
Yeah, now today we're fitting a universal oil catch can.
Universal, let's see what we got. What have we got, cuz?
Catch can.
A universal catch can.
Yeah, now I bought this kit off Joe, the same guy. I actually bought the intercooler, the front grille.
Everything you
a
bought
lot of
is
stuff
TT
on
off
him,
him.
actually, I have. Yeah, but this is a universal catch can kit based on the Cloud9 Customs kit that they sell.
Which is a popular one for
popular.
this platform.
Yeah, now this wasn't something I was going to do, but obviously running higher boost, and it was cheap.
Can I just say, every car, it makes me laugh because he went up to buy bulk stuff off the guy and he's like, oh, I got this and this. No, I'm not going to buy it. Yeah, he ended up buying it.
Yeah, I bought it all pretty much. So we got this new, I don't even know what it's called. It goes into the bottom of the engine. Now, apparently to get these out is a bit of a pig. So we have squirted it already with WD.
As everything is on this engine. As you guys probably know, I'm used to old Jap cars and I'm not used to all of this and this. They love their hoses and stuff, don't they?
Yeah, where they at? But yeah, obviously with these cars, you've got the PCV system and everything, which can be problematic. Now, we are removing all that today.
Oh yeah, just thought, what is an oil catch can for these people that don't know?
It's basically anything that comes out of the crankcase. They do release oil, it's normal, and with these engines, it actually puts it back through the system.
Right, so it basically, with your PCV system, is crankcase breathing.
Yeah.
It basically replaces that. With boosted cars, they create a lot more blow-by, which basically shoots oil where you don't want it. So what the catch can will do is sits in between the PCV system, so your oil, rather than going everywhere, goes into there nicely.
Yeah,
makes
but
it
the
run a bit
standard
nicer.
system, just runs it back through the system. So
it is confusing, but it's to fit. It should be straightforward. I don't know what the first step is, but let's get stuck in. We have taken the plastic trim and the plate there. I don't know what you call it.
it's basically, it's just a cover. It obviously holds this in place and everything and protects
stuff. Now, borrow that, please. Now I can see what he's on about. The pipe we need to remove is that one there, and apparently that is the bit of a pig, and you've got to be very gentle. But that is like the main part. I think once that's done,
we've got to pop that off, and then it's just like done.
Just like that.
I just messed up. Right,
I'm gonna quote that right there. That's,
No freaking way.
Shut up.
It's off.
I don't believe you. Wow.
And there's the O-ring.
It's because you lubed it up.
It was. We had literally squirted the crap out of it. Yeah. That's insane.
Wow, that's...
Like I said, I was really worried about that.
Yeah, that is the whole job. I think that's the part we were worried about.
Yeah, so what we're doing now is just removing everything we can from underneath this inlet manifold. Now we've watched BWS TT do this as well, haven't we? All this stuff he was taking off was breaking. We've been lucky.
Yeah, no, sorry, I just want to say there's... With the whole vacuum lines, the vacuum system, there's a lot of rubber hoses, and as we've experienced already with this car, these rubber hoses are starting to perish. So one of the greatest advantages of doing this is getting rid of all of that. And like you said, we've been very lucky so far.
Very, very lucky so far. Even taking that one off, his actually broke in there, and as he does explain, you've got to be careful not to drop anything in because it will go straight into the sump.
Because it's sat horizontal, so if anything comes off, it's going straight into your sump.
This is it. Now that's why I put a bit of tissue in there.
Yeah.
No, I hope the tissue doesn't go in the sump.
It's not my car, don't want to.
I know, you're poking it on purpose. Content, bro.
TT goes by.
Yeah.
So like Kenny said, we're removing all of the hoses that we can.
Yes, all this. It'll just basically eliminate vacuum leaks.
A lot less,
anything, So, but yeah, if anybody needs one of these, give me a shout.
We have had he's inspired us to do something else as well, which we'll get to in a minute. Relocating the relay and getting the catch can to sit somewhere nice. So
yeah, it'll be nice, neat, and yeah, like I said, let's strip all this off first.
In there, you got work to do. Well, after a lot of fighting and tugging.
Whoa, that was last night.
So this is what we were trying. Well, this is what was tucked under there. What we just had to wrestle out. And going back to what we said about it being perished, what Kenny's noticed straight away.
Somewhere. Find it there.
Look at that.
Hell of a gash.
That's what she said.
At this age, no. At this age, as we've said previously, rubber does perish over time. So with any car, but more specifically with the BAM setup, for the love of God, check your hoses.
Definitely. Now, like I said, we've eliminated as much as possible so far, and now with this out the way,
It's just future-proofing, isn't it? Is what it is.
This is it.
Right, so while Kenny's undoing that, this is mad. Look how neat this is under here. This is where all the hoses were.
It was absolutely rammed under there, wasn't it? Even trying to get them out.
Yeah. Whew. So yeah, I'd say hopefully that's the most difficult part then, because that was a bit of a fight getting out, wasn't it?
It was, yeah, but I'm just glad nothing broke.
Yeah.
Not yet.
It was close, but it didn't. Yeah, it didn't. So what we're going to do now is removing the strut brace to relocate this. There's a relay that sits in here that we can relocate into there, so the catch can sit there and make it look a lot neater.
It should look sweet under here, no?
Yes, it's coming along very nice.
It is.
I hate to admit. Let's just say you haven't missed one of you.
Oh, there we go. No. Gotta lift the back up first.
Oh,
there
yeah.
you go.
Yeah, I helped. I can clean my gloves up. Is the relay in question? That was
box.
yeah, just for that one relay.
Strange.
Maybe some cutting involved, I think. Kenny's favourite.
Where's my angle grinder? There's a clip in here. I'll do.
Wow.
Well, that was simple.
Row now.
I know, what the hell, I just jinxed the crap out of my life.
So that there. Well, I don't even know what's in there.
You cut that
The
off.
waterfall thing.
Oh, you just don't chase it, bro. It's where we routed the,
Ah, the vacuum.
it's where we routed the,
Where did the
That's what I was doing there. We haven't broke anything yet, and then it snaps. That's why I'm really trying my best for it not to happen.
Yeah, that's mad. So we can literally, the theory is we can put the relay back in there and
Yeah.
place it in there.
Yes.
If you are watching this as an instructional video,
Don't.
God help you first of all.
Don't.
But the little bracket that holds it in there does have to be cut off. It's only rubber, so it is straightforward. Woohoo! It's so close. Fixed. In a previous video, we obviously installed the induction kits. And because of the relay box that was there, we couldn't position the MAF out of the way. But with this mount in the catch can there, what we're going to do,
In the theory.
yes, we've now got the room to move it.
That didn't sound good.
That now gives us a lot of room to mount
L catch can.
the catch
And it doesn't look like, I actually prefer it with all that out of the way.
Oh, definitely, it looks a lot cleaner.
It does.
Yeah, with that turned and that out of the way, that looks cool.
Yeah.
Superiority.
I might have to go the other way, actually.
Say, is that, have they got to go
Yeah,
underneath?
they're gonna have to go.
Oh.
Is that?
Have they got to feed underneath, or do they go over
I think
the
they go
intake?
over. I'm pretty sure they go over, to be honest. But I'm just thinking if I rotate these,
Yeah.
so have them that way.
So it's out of the way.
I'm going to check it though, because I haven't taken this apart yet.
That's a very good
Before
point.
I go
Yeah.
in, it's full of oil. Dump that straight into my engine. That's right, actually really good, because I can take that off while I still
Yeah,
fit it
well, I was
to
just
that.
about to say, if you are running one of these, they are sort of a maintenance item, but all you've got to do is simply undo it. It could do with a clean there.
Yeah, I was going to say, I bought it off a guy whose gasket went, so I'm glad I done that.
I'm really glad you checked
Yeah,
that.
me too.
But periodically, that is all you've got to do. In theory, you will have oil and stuff in there, so just empty that, unscrew it, empty it, and you're good to go.
Hell yeah.
Voila! This looks awesome. So, catch can there, coming from what's known as the hockey puck, it mounts lovely onto the factory strut brace, and now we've done the relocation of the relay, going all the way under. You can actually see from the top there is a nipple just there that we
I
had
don't
to
even know where I
plug.
had that from.
It's just one of
Once
those
again,
random
that's some-
things
I told you, didn't I? I just keep everything else.
your-
I'm like,
yeah.
I could use that for something.
in your magic pot.
Yep.
So even underneath it, it's so much cleaner. There's a lot less hoses, a lot less stuff to go wrong. So all it is now is putting that's
I'll
insane.
show you exactly what we removed. This, and this. All that. Wow. For that one pipe.
And that is a lot of rubber and old plastic that can go
Yeah.
wrong. And you know, to to try and track down a vacuum leak is an absolute pig of a job.
It's horrible, isn't it?
So
that's just eliminated everything. And like I said, I know there's a split we've shown you on the one.
Yeah.
And also this part here is soft and
yeah,
it's knackered.
Yeah.
It doesn't spring back on anything. So yeah, it's definitely worth doing, definitely worth getting rid of.
Yeah. The only thing is with this, there's no like grand finale test drive because unfortunately
it is what it is.
The benefits you won't really see
No.
until you start booting it. So, but it is literally a case of buttoning it back up now, and
yeah, just got a couple of brackets and everything to fit, one plug to go on, and
she's good to go.
Yeah, we'll give it a start then.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Hopefully,
we need to make sure it starts. Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Yeah, I know.
Right, so everything's back together, but this is the moment of truth now. It's idling. No? That's the main thing.
That was close. Yeah, feels okay. Yeah, I think we're good, man.
Oil catch can successfully fitted. I've been waiting to say that. Successfully fitted.
Yeah, no, I was worried about this because, like I said, I've seen so many horror stories about that piece snapping and going into the sump. Also, it was something I really wasn't sure about doing. I know Glenn did say speak to your mapper, but as we were talking, we're going for bigger power next year.
Yeah.
This thing is a beast.
Yes.
So, yeah, stuff like that now out of the way is great.
Yeah. Considering it's one of those jobs, a lot of things could go wrong very quickly, but it didn't. So
it's been really chill because we usually like panic. Oh no, but we just like, oh, okay, we'll do that.
Yeah.
And it has been really actually chilled one, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's worked.
Got a cup up between, you know. It's, yeah, it's quite a nice one today.
It's nice not getting stressed for a change.
Yeah.
So we have got next up is the short shift, but it's not in there. It is in there.
Ooh. You watch now, we have to remove all that crap we just fit in.
Yeah, we were literally saying as we were putting it back together. But anyway, stick with us because we've got more things coming with the TT. But for now, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
Boom, bam, everything.
Boom, bam, beam, bang, boom.